Okay. All right, guys. Mountain Girl 7, the set. Solo. Okay, guys. Mountain Girl 7. I am going to cook out of my truck, out of inside of the truck. Yeah, not too much space in here. But, because I do have stuff, so we will figure it out. Normally we'll cook outside. We got to figure out about the winter when it's cold, because, you know, unless she's just sitting down, I can do this, but I'll show you. All right, this is the space. This is the space. And of course, ventilations. I got 2 little fans over there blowing out. It's taking me forever to start cooking because it begins to rain and it gets wet inside. But yeah, we will figure this out. It'll be my first time cooking in here. And let's go. I spilled my whole entire soy sauce when I was fixing this in here. Oh, but I got these packages. So I'm gonna make white rice and teriyaki. Is it teriyaki chicken? Something like that. Something like that, I think. Yeah. So no, I'm gonna do the rice in this pot. Oh boy. Oh, sorry. Oh boy. Oh boy. I want you guys to see the struggle. Jahida was in the house messing with the desktop, trying to get videos uploaded because there's always something. That's why videos is short, but there's a reason, because when we do them long, we can't get them up there. So we got to figure this out. Well, she'll figure it out because I know nothing about computers. So I just do the cooking, as you can see. Yeah. So I'm going to get the rice going over here. I got to cut the chicken. And hope not to get a stomach cramp. I fit laying down perfectly fine. It's sitting up. So I'm thinking maybe in the future, I don't know, because I was thinking maybe just have one-sided for the drawers, and then I can put on top of I could use one side for the drawer, like have one of these sides up, right, cut it in half, and the bottom part for us, if you want to sit whatever but to sleep, she could probably sleep on the bottom, and then on this high part I can have a mattress and sleep on it, and or something, and then cook on the I don't know what you call that, on this door like we usually do. But if it's cold in winter, we could use this top to cook on it and then take out whatever. We'll figure this out. That's not even the point. The point of the channel is it has a meaning. So that's not even a problem. It's not like we're gonna live in our truck. But anywho, yeah. Let me where's my chicken? Let me get the chicken going. Oh, let me get the rice. Oh, I'm a nut, right? Yep, you already know I'm a nut. I'm gonna do the rice on this side over here. Anyway, I want nothing catching on fire in here. Yep, perfect. Let that water boil. Let that water boil for the rice. I didn't get the salt for my rice. I guess it's gonna, my meat's gonna have to give it a flavor. But anyways, yeah, I'm really excited about this. This is so much fun to me. I've never I mean, I've heard of people camping. I know about camping, but like I personally never thought I'd be doing it. I like it. I love it. Yeah, I never thought I'd be doing it. I never thought I'd love it as much as I do. I've never camped, but it's just the thought of it. Like, I'm so excited about it. Yeah, it's so much fun. So, I used to just chill, hang out, drink, you know. But, not anymore. My life has a whole new meaning now. Yep, very excited about it. Oh my God, this knife is amazing. It's amazing. So yeah, I want you guys to, you know, talk to me. Give me ideas. What's in here? What other foods to make? If you guys are local, I'm going on around 5 years here in Fitchburg. I don't know so much about Fitchburg. I'll just drive and work, come home, you know. But if you guys are local, you know, places I can go fishing, places I can go. I mean, I know about a couple of places I can go camp by further away, you know, nearby, whatever. But you know, give me ideas, please. I want to take you guys on a journey. Chicken is so nasty. It tastes so good when it's cooked. Yeah. Okay. So it took me forever to open these side windows. I had a spray with WD-40 because it was brand new. So yeah. All right, that already boiled. That's awesome. I have a new for my rice. So cute. So cute. I'll be more comfortable after I whoa. I don't want to have a mouse in here like one of the YouTubers I follow. He had a mouse in his car, in his truck. That's funny. I would die. He had a freaking mouse living on in his truck, and he put a trap, one of those sticky ones, and the freaking mouse ate through his own tail to get out. Smart little freaker. Well, actually not smart because he ate his freaking tail, but just, you know, just the fact that he did that. It's crazy. Alrighty then. Let me start the chicken. I'm definitely gonna get a cramp in this freaking truck. Let me do this one. Put my oil in there. Garlic oil. Hope it'll stink up the truck. Just a tidbit. Just a tidbit to fry my chicken. Okay. Yeah, this chicken was supposed to be for Jahira's classic, but since she's eating in the house, I think I'm gonna take it off her this meal. I hope she don't ask for the classic later, because I'll be in big trouble. Not really. I do what I want, and I get away with it, because I'm spoiled. Yeah. So which one am I going to use for the meat? This one. So yeah. Stove freaks me out, and I don't want to shut off, but then I don't want it to. Did it shut off? Yes. It's such a great stove, but it always It's hard to get it low because it shuts off, but if it's high, it'll burn my phone like it did in the beginning. Ugh. All right, let that cook there. Let that cook there. All right, so let me get rid of this. Where's my bag? Trash bag I have. Yeah, I've always wanted to be tall, but right about now, maybe like a foot shorter. But it's okay. It's okay. I gotta be careful because I am clumsy. As you guys can see, I am so freaking clumsy. So clumsy. Oh, let me stretch my legs. Oh, let me stretch my legs. Oh, I can't stretch my legs. Oh boy. Woo. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so she came to my rescue. I freaking cut myself with this big old saw. Oh, I'm always cut. I'm always hurt. Oh boy. I was just gonna put it away and there I went. I almost sliced my finger in half. Anywho, it wasn't that bad. It was bad, but not that bad. Not that bad. Anywho, I'm clumsy, but not that clumsy. But yeah, I'm clumsy. You guys know I'm clumsy. So anywho, so I'm gonna show you my chicken. It's my chicken. My rice is good. I am going to all right, so 2 ingredients, just 2 ingredients, which is soy sauce, yeah, that much. But I got these packets to put in there, and brown sugar. Let me cook it just a bit more. Yeah. Yeah. So you know I gotta have my veggies, so I'm gonna have some baby spinach. I might throw it in there. I love my veggies. Alright, so let me cook a little more. I want to make sure that chicken is nice and cooked. But anywho, you guys, yeah, I cut myself. I got smear boo boo as usual. I know this place is small, but after we get the mattress, we got a twin size mattress because she has a bad back. I don't mind sleeping on my sleeping pads. So, and I also have a foam. I have this. Damn, I got stuck grabbing. I have, what is it? There's a foam under here. I can always put it on this side for myself. You know what I mean? We'll make it work. And whoa, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. And the reason, come on, please. Or maybe this way. Oh, no wonder it's under. Oh, God. This is why. This is her job, not mine. And the reason for the twin size mattress, I want a space for when we climb in and out. I don't want our shoes, even though we're not going to come in with shoes, but to step in and out is easier. Also to, if I'm going to cook in here, can't be on the mattress. All right. Let's get this going. Look at that. All right. Okay, let me grab my spoon here. Grab my spoon. I don't want to make a mess, please. I don't know how much is that, but I'm gonna put some more. A little more, little more, for good measure. Come on, let me grab that. Let me grab this. Yeah, no, because the spoon is small, that's why. All right. Remember, the sugar burns, so you got to continue moving that. on. Oh, I don't need any more soy sauce. This is pretty good. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. It is a perfecto. Come here. I don't know. I think I want more sugar. More sugar. More of this brown sugar. It smells good. Oh, it smells good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It smells good. I continue moving so the sugar don't burn. But like I said, I always need my veggies. And y'all know how spinach turns into nothing. So I'm putting that whole thing. But you know what? I'm going to shut it off because I don't want my sugar to burn. And oh, come on, buddy. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this. So that's finished. Can kind of cook it a little bit. Alrighty, guys. So, boom. Let me put this. I can put this in here. I don't need it. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna use a little bit of yes. All right. So that's that. That was quick and easy. So yeah, I have my Nebula. Come here. I have my Nebula. Where is it? What's the name to this? There you go. Nebula. So I can watch Netflix. I'm gonna shut this right here. I'm gonna see if I can place the Nebula somewhere and watch Netflix. If I got signal out here, I should have signal out here because the house is right there. All right. So let me serve my rice. First off, let me get this thing out of here. Because I don't know. With my luck, I might just blow up. Why does it feel like it's freezing? It feels like icicle. Alright. So let me serve my rice. Oh, I did the wrong spoon. Aye. It's alright. Once a nut, it's always a nut. Me. I wonder if I can. No. Oh, my stuff is over there. Let me see if I can. That there. Yo, my this Jackery that I have was charging everything here. Well, not everything. My fridge. It's only 500 watts, and let me tell you, I thought we had we'd have to, but I thought we rushly had to get a 1,000-watt one because everybody has like 1,500 or whatever. So I thought, oh man, maybe that one's not good. It's been charging my fridge since yesterday, and right now it's at 52. And I have oh yeah, I gotta lay back. I have a solar panel there. I mean, it's not much sun out, but I don't know, whatever. I don't know if that's what's breaking it, but it's great. I'm probably talking loud. I talk too loud. All right. Okay. Oh. All right, let's see. Let's hope for the best. So, also what I like about these pots, it's that this is removable, detachable, and you attach it to this one. So on and so forth. But I'm gonna order an extra one. Only came with one. I don't know. I think my sauce was supposed to be thicker. Maybe I was supposed to put more sugar. I was supposed to put more sugar. I knew it. I knew it. But it's okay. It's okay. It'll go. Now. That's my piece of rice. A fork. Just a tidbit. Alright, you guys. I will show you my masterpiece. Show you my no, grab it like this. That's my masterpiece. Yeah, I was supposed to put more sugar, definitely. I can tell by the color. But yeah. Oh well, it's going in. And I know it's gonna be great. Ew. Alright. I think I should lay down to eat it. Let me lower it. Oh. See if I can put the phone up here. Maybe I can put the phone. Where can I put this sucker? Right here. Oh boy. Oh, I needed this. Oh yeah. I'm definitely touching. See, with a pillow, I'll be perfectly fine. It's my garbage. I'm gonna order a collapsible garbage. It stands up and obviously collapsible. I'm gonna order that so we can put it like right outside the truck when we cook and stuff. And yeah, we are good to go. Let me try this, guys. Let me try this. First of all, let me pray for it. Amen. I haven't been praying for my food, and I usually do. You gotta be thankful. Thank God before you eat, and thank Him after you're done eating. Oh yeah. But I can use more soy. Oh, that looks better. A little darker. That looks better. Ooh, I got rice all over. Oh, my sweet Jesus. So, I'm gonna pick this up. I want to see if I can watch movies here. This is tasty. And just 2 ingredients. And the fact that this rice, I've never used jasmine rice before. Right? I've never used like these like quick cooking 5-minute microwavable rice type thing. Never. But and I'm not crazy about rice. I grew out of it. When I feed fit and I cook and I like it, but it's not something I want every day. But this rice, jasmine rice, I don't know. I'm addicted to it. Maybe for the simple fact that it cooks so quick and without salt. I mean, we put salt. You could put salt if you want, but the guys on YouTube don't put it. So the first time I tried it, I forgot. Like I was doing it the way they did, and I was okay with it. Besides, everything else on the side has salt, so It's alright without the sodium. No biggie. No problemo. I'll probably live a little longer. These are all the band-aids Jahida brought me because I am so very clumsy. It doesn't fail. When I'm cooking, I cut myself. Oh my Lord. Oh. I am done with myself. Let me put that over there. Let me put the trash over here. All right. Give me a little more space here. Okay. Yeah. Well, guys. I'm thankful for this truck. I'm thankful for my followers. My channel. Little by little is going up there. Slowly but surely. I know you know, we're not perfect. Our videos definitely aren't perfect, but wouldn't with us. Once again, you already know. But anyway, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the comment. I love sauce. Like when I go to a Chinese restaurant, I always ask for the soy sauce, and I always ask for duck sauce, and I drench my rice with duck sauce. Like, I love sauce. Anyway, you guys, yeah, like I was saying, I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate the comments and stuff, you know. Let me know what we lack. Give me ideas. Like, give me ideas of what to do. I have no idea what we're doing, you know. I mean, I watch the guys do it on YouTube. It's easier for them. Most of them don't have a family, I don't think. Like, they don't have kids. We do. So it's a little harder. Like, Jahida has two teens. But, you know, we can't, like, during the week, we can't take off and, you know. So, yeah. But give us ideas, you know what I mean? I would like to travel. I am afraid of animals. And just this morning, last night, I saw how somebody got tore by a bobcat. Imagine that. I don't think I've ever seen a bobcat. I mean, it's terrifying. But we're gonna do this. Are we gonna do this? That's delicious. This is just because I'm not eating the way I usually do. Listen, guys, I'm laying down. Not easy. But I want to drive, you know, to mountains and stay up in the mountains, not in the woods, in mountains. Obviously, because I want to sleep in the truck. But I want to go places where it has beautiful views, you know. So today's Thursday. We were supposed to get the mattress today, but of course, they sent it. I had an email that we're not getting it until tomorrow, Friday. But it's okay. Definitely this weekend, in Jesus' name, we're gonna stealth. I want to park. I want to do like the YouTubers do. I want to park somewhere in a big parking lot where there's a lot of lights or whatever. I want it to look pretty. I don't want it to be pitch black at night either. But just, I don't know. Do what they do. Definitely want to go fishing. That's going to be a trip because I am afraid of everything. So I don't know how I'm going to do that. But I'm going to do it. I'm a man up. I'm a man up for the people. We're going to do this. But yeah, I like this. This is freaking cool. The fact that my mom always wanted me to get a truck because I move a lot. She used to always say, get a truck. Like one of these, I'm like, no, Mom, I don't like those. You know, this and that. No, I don't like those. So look at me now. Look at me now. I'm getting paper. No, I'm kidding. Yeah. So, I gotta, for this Nebula, I gotta connect it to the phone. Hopefully I can do it. But I want you guys to give me ideas about quick and easy meals. So when we're on the road. Also, quick and easy meals so I can, you know, spread around. I want to drive around and, you know, you already know. But I want to feed people, you know. So give me ideas, guys. Give me ideas. This is a journey. And I'm going to reach my goal. By faith in Jesus' name. With you guys' help. So, did I show you guys? I don't know. I'm in my parking lot. In my driveway. There's the head of car. And behind there's her daughter's car. Because I was dying to cook in the back of the truck. And that's the backyard. Right there. Behind that white fence, if you can see. I don't know if you can see it. Yep. So for here, this part right here, I don't know if I can show you guys. One of the YouTubers put a bike tire, like the, not the outside tire, the tube, the bike tube in here. And I think he did it for the cold. So when he has both of these windows open, it doesn't get cold. It, you know, protects, it covers the cold. So we got to get that. You know, little by little. Slowly but surely. We'll get it done. We'll get it done. Well, I'm gonna finish my food, guys, and that's the reason why I eat fast. I eat fast because when I eat slowly, I get full, and I lose my appetite. Like right now, I'm yapping, and I'm kind of losing my appetite. So I'm gonna let you guys go for a bit until I finish my den. I promise you I'll eat it all. And clean up and set up Nebula. Hopefully I can watch movies in here. We shall see. Well, here you go, guys. I'm watching Nebula. I'm watching our own videos on YouTube with my Nebula.
There it is.
That's my son, and he's slaying the door. He helped me with this because, yeah, I'm not good at it.
That's what we've been talking about. Cover. Yeah. Now we can go camping.
Alright.
I'm gonna get the vacuum.
Now, how can I...
The vacuum will talk to the car?
How can I flip this phone to...
We're excited.
Uh-oh. He left. I am trying to flip the phone, the camera,
windows
to me,
slide in and out.
I don't know how to do it.
No, we got it also there so that we
This
can
is where
pass
I
each
will
other
write
the stuff.
LMAO. Anywho, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On both sides. We did get this put on also.
I gotta turn the phone this way, and I can't see myself because I can't flip the
Put
camera
it
over
weather.
around. Anyway, so
You didn't have to get that put on, but we decided to.
yeah, that's pretty cool.
That way it's all set. Some people
Oh, my
put it
God,
on
let me lower
themselves,
that.
but we
Let me lower
decided
that volume.
to have them do it also.
I can't see.
We're always working. We don't have time to do stuff.
Okay, so
But they do that.
here's my little fan. We're hanging it. We're gonna get 2 more for each corner. I think I have 5 more.
Where's the mattress for here?
Nice and
To be here on Thursday.
strong. I mean, we'll see when it's really hot out. And then it has light. It has light on both sides, right? Yep. And I have it on the rice container. That's pretty cool. So,
Yeah, we're excited, guys.
yeah, let me shut it off because I am not hot. But anyways, this is pretty cool. I gotta get something white for the Nebula. I was just trying it on that. So when we go camping, obviously we'll have a fridge in the back seat. We'll have a fridge, and I could probably reach through here, so we can have more space. I can have the generator in the back seat also. I can have all this mess. Well, it's not gonna be messy. I'm gonna hook it up, but none of this will be here, so we can have more space. And I think it's pretty spacious. Again, oh my God, I lowered it. Can I pause it? I don't. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, it's pretty spacious for me. I like it. I'm very excited. Should I sleep here tonight? I might sleep here tonight. We shall see. Yeah, guys, this is exciting. You guys should try it. It's exciting. We're gonna go to Connecticut this weekend, and I'm gonna cook for my family out there. This is pretty exciting. Now, I don't know if I'll get scared at night by myself out here. I mean, I am in my driveway. There's 2 cars in front of me. Can't nobody steal me. They can't steal me if they try. Now with this big old thing, I'm clumsy though. I'm so clumsy. Sheesh. No, I'm not even afraid of that. I'm afraid of animals. But anyway. So guys, oh man, I cut my little, Jesus. So just wanted to show you my little Nebula. Wanted to show you what we will be doing when we spend the, well, it all depends. Probably we have no signal in the woods or wherever the heck, mountain top or whatever, but I don't know if we could put internet on that and carry it everywhere. I don't know how it works. But anyway, so yeah, it was great. It was nice talking to you guys. And I'm gonna watch some Netflix and chill for a little bit by myself and decide if I want to sleep here tonight or not. If I do, I might just take everything out of here and set the whole thing like a big old bed all to myself. So I will catch you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, help us out, please. Comment, and yeah, Mountain Girl 7. God bless you guys. We love y'all. Thank you. Well, before I let y'all go, I don't know if you can hear, but it's thundering. Is it thundering? Or is it somebody's car? No, I guess it's somebody's car. Because the thunder's not going to last forever. I guess I was wrong. See you guys.